richforrichmakesyouRich.com, discussing when you have an advantage over the analysts. When you know a company really well, if, for example, you're a buyer for a clothing store and someone is coming with clothes that are just dazzling and you're buying them, and everybody else, every other buyer that you know is saying, God, these clothes are great or whatever, you can assume that the stock of this company has good prospects and bears further investigation. Now, for example, with Google, who owned YouTube, I'm really excited, and along with other YouTube content creators, because Google has now offered the ability to have a commercial play before somebody watches a video, which might add a few cents into the pockets of those creating content, as well, of course, as Google's. Now, if you take a look at some of the message boards for YouTube content producers, they're actually very, very excited at this, and they are seeing added revenues going into their pockets. So is Google. So I can just assume that YouTube revenues will be fantastic for the company. So it's a small part of the company, granted, but I just want to bring this up as an example, as where you, if you know a lot about the company, you do business with them, you have a potential advantage in terms of diagnosing their prospects. So just remember that, trust your instincts, look for YouTube numbers this quarter, April 12th, when Google comes out with their earnings, to be really good, and take this as an example for something that you can look at in the future. richforrichmakesyouRich.com, signing off.